Good morning, Miss. Basically, we are going to start evaluation from home first. Okay, so everybody will take turns. So I will start from Miss Sonia.
Miss Sonia, what is a collection of items or information called? The answer is C, a list. Look at the picture above. What is example? That is example of. The answer is A, pictogram.
What is a presentation data in column called a table? Use this picture to answer number 4 and 6. There are more fish than chicken. Reggie, there are more rabbit than chicken. All these are correct.
Rabbit, yeah.
Number 5, which animal is the most based on the picture above? The answer is B, fish. And number 6, what is the total number of the fish on the picture above? I think 11. Can I focus?
11.
Yes. Yes, 11.
11.
Yes. This one?
Yes, Miss Sonia. Number 7.
Number 7. I can answer the questions. Okay. Based on the picture, the list of the students go to school by. The answer is C, bicycle.
Yes.
Number 8. The greatest in a month is called. The answer is A, most.
Can I see the catalyst? Number 1. 2 students join the class on Friday and 5 students join class in Monday, Thursday, Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Then Tuesday. There are 3 more students join the class on Thursday, then on Tuesday, join on Friday, on Monday. There are 3 fewer students join class on Friday and Monday. The 3 people.
Yes.
Number 1, a computer has a program for drawing and coloring picture, and it's called Paint. Number 2, step 2 to draw a simple tree on a piece of paper from the picture below is B. Which of the following is a component of paint window? The answer is C, ribbon. And then, slide. The correct step to start paint is B, click start button, select in program. B, click on accessories, click on the paint options.
Okay, Miss Sonia.
Paint window, the answer is B, drawing area. Component is part of a whole thing. And then C, ribbon, a long strip for tying. And then paint, a color used to decorate.
Yeah.
And it's Number 1, a box made of plastic is called a plastic container. A material that is not attracted to a magnetic is called material. Number 3.
Friends, this one has the instructions. Okay. Use the picture below to answer the questions number 3 and 4. Which object that can be attracted by a magnet? The answer is A, silver, as and scissors. Number 4, which objects that cannot be attracted by a magnet? The answer is C, fabric scrap and plastic container.
Okay, Miss Sonia. Yeah, Miss Sonia.
Towards, towards. The answer is B, in the direction on something. Force, push or pull on something. And then fabric scrap is a small piece of cloth. And then plastic container is a box made of plastic.
Okay, Miss
Magnet can push some object away. Magnet cannot attract wood and glass. Magnet can attract all metals. Rubber balloon cannot be attracted by magnet.
berlimpah merupakan pengertian dari banyak, tersedia atau berlimpah. Terakhir, menyusut adalah pengertian dari menjadi lebih kecil ukurannya. Oke, jadi
Indonesia memiliki dua musim, yaitu musim hujan dan kemarau. Cuaca berawan ditandai dengan adanya banyak awan di langit saat musim hujan dan laut udara terasa lebih dingin, banyak debu berterbangan saat musim kemarau.
Iya.
Okay. What patterns do you see on the picture above? The answer is B, teacher. Number 2, what is the meaning of stripes? The answer is A, long narrow line or space. Sorry.
number 3, a hat for playing baseball is called A. baseball cap. Number 4, a circular woman's garment or clothing is called B. skirt.
Okay, this one, this is plant. Number 1 is D. Number 2 is flowers. Number 3 is dot. Number 4 is stripe.
Oke, Miss Dia.
Okay. I love my school and my school has the answer is B, the clean tables and chair. Number 2, I love the classroom that has C, neatly arranged tables and chairs.
Number 3, what kind of school do you like? The answer is A. has clean toilets and wash machines. Number 4, best from the pictures, the place to wash hand is called. The answer is A. wash basins.
Yes.
Neatly in a messy way. Neatly is in a messy way. False. I can wash my hand with soap in the wash with machine. True. I had a neat and clean school. False. Wash machine is placed to wash and true.
Okay, this one there is a why is it false, why is it true?
Okay. Number 1, neatly is in a messy way. It is false because neatly is describe what something looks like what is it? Neatly looks like tiny and looks nice also. And number 2, I can wash my hand with soap in the wash machine. Actually, wash machine function is we can wash our hand or sometimes our face also in there, and we use soap also. And number 3,
Number 3, I had a neat and clean school. So this is false because we must love a neat and clean school, because in our school have a neat and clean school, right? So you don't have a neat and clean school. Wash basin is place to wash hand. That is true because based on the vocabulary list, the explanation about wash basin is a special place to wash hand or wash your face.
Okay, and opening this now. So in what page?
yes, 124 painting, sorry, 124
So this one.
and 125. answer is magnet only attracts objects made of some metals. Part C, a magnet repels an object when it pulls the object toward itself. So the answer is a magnet attracts an object when it pulls the object toward itself. And part D, a magnet can attract or repel any magnet. So the answer is a magnet can attract or repel any magnet.
Yes. So this one number one, the answer all true.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm trying to get that last one.
Use a pulling force here, right?
Yes.
To attract object by magnets.
Okay, Miss Sonia, please give some examples that can be or cannot be attracted by magnet.
Okay, some object can attract by magnet is some object made from steel and iron. For example, paper clip, thumb tape, and then, for example, some magnet on the things like bag and wallet to make it close and everything. And then some object cannot be attracted by magnet is are objects made from wood, glass, plastic, like pencil, table, chair, bottle, and then whiteboard, and then this rock also, wall.
Okay, so this was in Sonia.
Yes. Circle the object. Circle the objects that can be attracted by a magnet. So in here, the objects can be attracted by magnet is steel scissors, because scissors made from steel, and then steel fork.
Still more.
Yes.
So only both of them.
Yes.
How do you explain this in the science word?
Science words. The first is attract. So attract, it means to pull closer. For example, a magnet can attract the material. So we try to make magnet with another object or paper clip, so they can know, oh, this is attract, like that. And then magnet, an object that can push and pull some object. And this is the magnet, you know, right? So the function is can be attract and can be repel, so this can push away. And then magnetic materials, a magnetic that is attracted to a magnet. The previous lesson we have learned about materials. So there are 7 materials. Which materials consists of magnetic materials, that one metal only. So the rest, plastic, fabric, wood, glass, rock, and glass already. Glass, glass, rock, plastic, paper, we want more paper. So there are non-magnetic materials.
When I ask somebody write the others, you don't need to help. Just decide. Yeah, this sounds funny. You don't need to help. Okay, so I will open health education. This is about unit 20. Chinese. The previous unit.
About this one, yeah. It's the school I love.
Okay, please explain this to Lydia. Okay,
In this unit about the school I love. So we will introduce the part of the school that we love, how the school looks, and then we ask them about the position, the good position in the class, how the good position in the class to the student. So later the student before explaining, I will ask them to read the paragraph one by one. But sometimes I ask them to read that together because we don't have one time like this. So after that, I will ask them how the school or in the class or the class looks nice. So later they will explain this one is like this. The chair must be neatly, and the table also, and then the whiteboard must be clean. So after we study, we have to erase all this like this.
plain watercolors.
Only that.
And yes, I need this.
No, I don't need English. This one?
This one already heard in this.
This one? Only one.
GPQ means
Okay, so what is the city question that you have in this day?
the special activity that we will learn. We will do special activity like this means we give
Before you do special activity, you will review
review this one the lesson first, and then afterwards
what is
the lesson. The lesson is about some patterns that we see around us. For example, plant, flowers, stripes, zigzag, and dots. Okay, so there are 5 patterns that we have learned in our book. So for the special activity also we will learn. So we will do that part too. One by one, I ask the student. We ask the student to ready for the paper and with the pencil they will write what I say. For example, please draw t-shirt pattern. Okay, so they will draw the t-shirt pattern, and after that, please draw stripe long pants.
in the RP, right? You put at least 2 city questions, right?
CPQ.
Yeah. But for reviewing, you will review the city question again, right? Before you do the special activity.
Yes, then we are divided 3 days means 3 days for the first day. On Tuesday, maybe we learn about CPQ, not all the CPQ how. Also the special activity on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we continue the special the CPQ the rest.
Okay, so I just want to know what is the city questions that you will ask to them?
CPQ question.
One or 2 of them. Because you will really learn the city question also.
Do you still remember what pattern that you have learned in our book? Okay, I hope they can answer with 5 patterns. And then, what else here? What is the meaning of each? What is the difference between is, she, and is, he? He and she. What is the difference between he and she?
Okay, Miss Dia, what else?
Okay, like how to explain the different useful this and this also.
What's that?
About the things. So later the what's that? Students answer about the different variant, and then about the useful, how to say penggunaan.
The use of
The use of the what's that? Like vocabulary. Present continuous tense here, Miss. Explain about present continuous tense because have the explanation about the subject and plus is and plus verb also. So from the question later, we'll ask them the use what is it? How to say it? The use of what's that? The use of verb in from the sentence is.
what else is on here?
On the CPQ, yeah, on the CPQ, we ask students to answer some question. The some question that's from the material about clothes. The material about clothes. So in this chapter we will study about clothes. So like the answer is
The question.
yeah, the question is what is baseball cap? Have you do you know what's the color? That's from the picture. What's the color of this baseball cap. And then what's the color of the t-shirt based on the picture like that. And then in this chapter we also study about language focus, about using present continue, and then this or that, this or to say that, this and that. This and this and this and this. Yeah, this and this. About that thing. So the student will answer the question how to use is and are based from the subject he, she, it, and then you use are for you, they, and we, like that means. And then and then the student will answer about the question about this and that, how to use this and that, like that means. That is GPQ. And we have special activity also.
So what's the special activity?
Yeah, the special activity is we ask to the student to draw our instruction about the pattern. You draw the t-shirt with the dots, like that means, and then you please draw baseball with the strips, like that, with the flower, like that means.
Okay, we will continue the vocabulary. Now the last is vocabulary.
Dia bisa,
Yes.
jengkal.
Jengkal itu adalah ukuran yang kita gunakan, ukuran yang menggunakan tangan, yaitu ukuran dari ibu jari, antara ibu jari dan kelingking. Biasanya kita menggunakan jengkal untuk mengukur sesuatu jika tidak ada alat ukur seperti rol ataupun meteran.
Soalnya depa.
Depa adalah satuan yang kita gunakan untuk mengukur suatu benda dengan menggunakan langkah kaki orang dewasa. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi depa itu bisa untuk mengukur suatu benda, mengukur jarak suatu hal, di mana menggunakan langkah kaki orang dewasa. Seperti itu.
Korek api adalah alat yang digunakan untuk menyalakan api. Jadi korek api ini dapat digunakan untuk menyalakan api rokok atau lilin. Jadi bisa digunakan saat menghidupkan api saat ulang tahun atau saat menggunakan lain benda lain bisa juga sih. Lilin sama ya, mungkin rokok.
Misalnya
Neatly is something in a tidy way. So neatly is when something in a tidy and organized way. So we can start. Neatly is when something look like neatly and look in tidy way. So we look them clean or tidy. So we can make the object or things, make it neat, tidy. So we can easy to find something what we need, like that means.
dia wash basin.
Wash basin. Wash basin is small things that used to wash our hands and sometimes also our face. In a wash basin, we can wash our hand directly without go to the restroom because and then it can help us fastly to do the activity. And then we use the soap also. Sometimes we put the soap on the wash machine and we use the soap when we wash our hand in wash machine.
Susunan.
Susunan aspek tulis.
under, Miss.
Di bawahnya Miss.
So far, this piece.
Why? Because we don't have, what is that, the line. So cannot read under, Miss.
Okay. Menebal.
Menjadi lebih tebal dari sebelumnya. Jadi menebal itu pada saat musim hujan atau pada saat hujan akan turun, awan itu akan terlihat banyak dan menebal di langit sehingga dapat menimbulkan dan dapat semakin tebal awan, semakin deras hujan itu akan terjadi.
Jarang itu adalah ketika kita sedikit untuk melihat suatu hal atau seseorang. Nah, jadi jarang itu adalah keterangan waktu di mana kita tidak terlalu sering untuk melihat suatu hal atau melihat suatu benda atau terjadinya suatu hal seperti itu, Miss.
Menyusun dia.
Menyusut adalah sesuatu yang berubah ukurannya menjadi lebih kecil. Contohnya ketika cuaca panas, es batu akan menyusut ketika sedang mencair. Nah, es batu itu lama-kelamaan ukurannya akan menjadi lebih kecil, bahkan bisa menghilang.
Melimpah itu banyak tersedia atau berlimpah. Melimpah itu seperti saat suatu buah yang terlihat banyak dan berlimpah dapat kita makan sesuai dengan apa yang kita mau, seperti buah beri yang terlihat banyak berlimpah pada suatu tempat. Jadi kita bisa makan sepuasnya gitu atau semua kita.
Paint is a liquid that we can use for color something or color surface. So we can use paint to make to draw and to give to the colors object or picture. So make the picture or wall will look nice or beautiful with the grass.
Component is a part of whole thing. For example here, monitor is a component from the computer. So we can see something from the monitor in a desktop.
Ribbon is a long stripe for tying. Ribbon is a soft stripe that we can use for tying a gift or present, and then we can decorating something with the ribbon to look more pretty.
I think that's all the information today. I have made a result here. For Miss Sonia, I asked you just now about some examples of methods that can or cannot be interpreted. Okay. And then here you cannot describe, you couldn't describe all. I mean, like, make more. You just give like 2 or 3. I need more. Yeah.
Maybe
For the things that can or cannot be interpreted by my hand. And then when I ask specific questions, yes, Miss Dia and Miss Debbie, I saw the specific questions yesterday with what you explained, but with Miss Sonia, it wasn't the same, the specific questions. Yeah, and then for the vocabulary list, for Miss Debbie and Miss Dia, it is based on the vocabulary what you have explained, and for Miss Sonia, like the meaning of pain, is that right? I asked you. It wasn't same with the graded definition. You just